Yo, welcome back to Containing Luxury. On this episode, we're going to be doing a tour of our very first container home build, but someone's living in there. What does it look like? Let's get started. You want to be a guest? You can come in. All right, we're filming. Let me get this door. Look at this, auto close. Amazing. There's cats. There's cats in here. Okay, so my mom is actually living in this container right now. She came down to help out because I needed somebody to help watch the dogs while I travel a little bit. This is what a 40-foot shipping container home can look like with somebody living in here with 2 cats and 1 dog. She's been in here for probably 4 weeks, so about a month now. And I mean, as you can see, it's pretty standard. I mean, you've got plenty of countertop space for all your appliances. I guess I probably don't need sunglasses inside. I'm not that cool, all up in the club. She's got, you know, plenty of room to wash her dishes. Dishes are all stored away in the cabinets. And we've got like a little living room area right here. Bentley's hanging out. What's up, Bentley? He's camera shy. What, Bentley, I come over here and you just... Bentley. Oh, there's cats. He found the cats. So anyway, I mean, I'm you know, 6'9", 350 pounds, and I fit in here fine. Just kidding. I'm actually like 5'10" and 165 pounds. But either way, you know, this is a nice little mini couch. We got plenty of room. I could easily eat and chill and watch TV. If it was me, I'd probably have like a 65-inch TV up on the wall. She's got like a 18-inch TV down there. So, but plenty of room. You know, you got your patio door that goes outside. You could have a little deck out there, which would be nice. We do have a little landing on the other side for the front door. And then this is actually just an IKEA desk that I had from in my guest room inside my house. But this would easily serve as a workspace or an area to sit and eat. And from our previous tour, if you guys saw, you know, you got your toilet space, which is nice because it kind of serves as also a closet. So like, well, sorry, not also as a closet. It's nice because you can close this off and you end up with a fully mirrored section. Oh, don't go in there. Fully mirrored section that you can kind of, you know, check yourself out, get dressed, check yourself out. But when it's not like that, it's your hidden little cubby bathroom, which is quite nice. Got room for toilet paper, a little stand in there, all that kind of stuff. So we actually never even finished construction on this completely. So I've still got like little putty things I have to sand, so ignore all that stuff. Plenty of room for the closet. I actually haven't set the closet up 100% for her yet, but there'll be 2 closet rods and some little built-ins in there, which is plenty of room because in my RV, I have no space for anything. Bentley, leave the kitties alone. I know, okay, we see them. She's got pretty much all of her toiletries in here. We've got a nice big mirror, plenty of countertop space for your whole vanity area, the bathroom. Again, this is 0 lights on. So all of the natural light that you see, there's not a single light on in this entire place. So that's, even with curtains up, this is how much light we're getting in here, which is kind of insane. But yeah, we've got our nice shower area, plenty of shower room, big 60-inch shower, plenty of room for all your shampoos, conditioners, all that kind of stuff, toothbrush, plenty of vanity space. And this is a queen size bed. So it's not like a mini bed. This is a full queen size bed. It actually lifts up, so there's tons of storage underneath there as well. But what more do you possibly need? You know, it's pretty simple, and it seems to heat and cool fine. She's had no complaints. Everything's been pretty nice. So this is a good way to not go insane if you have in-laws coming or you have your mom visiting for the holidays and you're like, man, I really don't want my mom staying at my house. Get a container house and put it in your front yard or your backyard or your side yard. And now they have their own space. It's like a little mini hotel suite, but fully livable. You know, she intends, I think she was just saying, to stay here until my little sister graduates from law school, which is probably 3 years. Yeah, I guess my mom's gonna be in my front yard for 3 years. So anyway, just figured that one out. So, but yeah, it's, you know, it's a fully livable very comfortable structure. I could definitely live in this. I was living in my RV in Texas, as you guys know, as we were developing the land out there. I'm still technically living in the RV in Texas. And it's super uncomfortable. Everything is falling apart on it, and it's constant maintenance. And this is like a home. It's like a small, full, regular home though, but even the ceiling heights, the lighting, just even the countertop space, this would be 1,000 times more comfortable for me than the current situation out there. Bentley, leave the kitties alone, okay? I know, those aren't your kitties. Okay, be nice. Bentley's just being cool, chilling. But that's all we got. I don't know. If you guys have any questions, hit the comments below, and we're gonna try and get back to you as quickly as we possibly can. And if you want to purchase one of these container homes, go to containingluxury.com and submit your information on the form there. And we're not doing custom builds, so very clearly about that. We have a couple of models. We have 3 models that we offer. This exact model right here, without siding, will run you somewhere around $55,000. The new model with the floor to ceiling glass, which is a little bit more contemporary, those are gonna be retailing at $75,000. Now we only offer a couple of different flooring options, a couple of different cabinet options, and that is it. We will not do custom builds. If you want to, you can order one from us that is like blank slate. Like we'll have everything here, and we can keep the cabinetry out, keep the countertops out. We can even keep flooring out if you wanted to do your own types of that kind of stuff. But as far as we go, we can't give you good pricing if we're customizing stuff. That's where you start getting into these other tiny homes that cost $150,000, and it doesn't make sense to me. So that's all we got, guys. We hope you enjoyed it, and now you get to finally see what a tiny house looks like when somebody lives inside of it full time. Containing Luxury and Bentley, out.
Hey, Bentley, come here.
Bentley.
Bentley, come here.
Bentley. Bentley, come here.